Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well in spite of the crazy stuff going on in the world right now. Yeah, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for the foreseeable future. We'll see how long that actually goes. My internet is extremely slow right now, given that everyone in the world pretty much is at home using it and it's slow already. It's gonna take me like the rest of the year to upload a 15-minute video. So I thought I would try a little project where I keep my videos at around 2 minutes or less, because that is probably the only thing that my internet can handle right now. We're just gonna get straight to the point in a lot of these videos, which I'm sure some of you will appreciate because I have a lot of comments about how I talk too much. This might be a struggle for me. So I thought a way that I could do this that would be interesting and also helpful for people would be to make very short videos about each plant that I have that is either doing well or struggling. So I can either give you advice or you can give me advice. And then I can make a follow-up video, you know, if I find those things to be helpful, or, you know, whatever, we can just go from there. I think I'm going to try to keep everything at around 2 minutes or so. So it's going to be just straight to the point information. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully you like this idea. I think I'm gonna call it Plant Chats because that's the only thing I can think of calling it. And my brain is worn out for the day. Can't think of anything else. Depending on how long it takes to upload these, I'm gonna try to get the first one out tomorrow. So I have talked before about how I wanted to do some more sleep related videos, and I have a product that I want to talk about in relation to insomnia, and then yeah, just some other things that I might do, so we'll see. So keep an eye out for the first and following Plant Chats video. I hope you guys like this idea, hope it works out, and again, I hope everyone is safe and well in this crazy time that we're in. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, of course, and you can find me over on Instagram at SimpleCareSteph. And I'll see you guys in the next video.